And we're back with making some double calipers. So I need to go ahead and punch the hole here, drift it out to a hex, finish shaping my legs, turn down my rivet to fit with a central hex stop point to it so it won't rotate. And yeah, so let's punch a hole. A little further. I really just with this want to forge in the corners. I don't want to have to drive that through a ton, so I'll open it up a little more with a punch. I think I'll go from there. Probably it'd be easier just to drill these holes, but what's the fun in that? Had my holes punched. I went ahead and ground concentric with that hole to where I'm going to get as much action as I can. That little shoulder there, I ground it at a little bit of an angle to give myself more room there. it still opens up like 2.5 inches, which for the purpose of these, I don't need them more than that. Probably next time I would just not do that shoulder, and then it could open up as big as you want to measure stuff. I like that detail, and it's got the range that I need it to do. Did that, I got everything flat to where it's gonna have a consistent resistance. If everything was kind of wedge shaped, then it'd get really tight and then be really loose. So you want everything as flat as you can get it. I cut out some 16th thou bronze washers just for some help in that action. I turned down my rivet with a little hex center to match that right there. That's like a real nice press fit to where it's gonna not shift in there at all. I need to trim this down a little bit for my rivet heads, but I'll go ahead and rivet it together, and then I'll have to tweak the legs to where the points will line up and not be crisscross. Also open that up. The profile looked weird with the little pinched needle eye looking thing, so I like that a lot more. Okay, let's go. So I've got it riveted tight, and I'm gonna break it in a little bit, loosen it up. So I'm heating the whole area, gonna clamp it in the vise and work it back and forth a bit. So this is the post-game interview where we talk about how we sported better than the other team. We just tried our best. Here they are, all done. The action's a little stiff. I gotta break them in a bit and see how they wear in. They're working good. The points line up nice. The range, I've got like 2 1/4 on the points there, which is pretty much what I would need out of them. If I made another pair, I would just not have that little boss shoulder to be in the way so that they could just open up as far as you needed them to go. The rivet does rock a little bit, so I would probably braze the rivet into the center next time to make sure it's just locked in solid. It was a nice tight fit, but just through riveting it kind of wallowed out at just a hair. I'm happy with them. A few things I'd change if I did it again, but it was a fun time. I really like the little shoulders there though. I would do that again and do the little sweep there. I'd probably do a little bit different handle shape. I like it fine, but I don't know. I'll try something different next time. Are my eyebrows fleck on point?